Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the carbon air filter on 2016 Honda Pilot. Okay, let's get started guys. You see the glove box compartment here, just pull it. Okay, you see the side, you just twist it in, and the filter in there, just twist the clip, pull it out. There you go. You see, look at nasty casting. So just pull the filters out guys. It's very simple, just plug and play, it's not that hard. Okay, so it's a filter, brand new filter look like. Let me show you. It's a brand new one. And you see here they make in USA. So you see the arrow in here, airflow direction, the arrow go down, just put it go down. Okay, if you want to do it, just put it. You can do it at home, no problem, save some money. It's a very simple to install too. You don't need to go to the dealer or go to the shop to do those job, you know. Just do it at home. You can order online or you can buy it from the auto part. It's very cheap too. Okay, so just put it. This one is ready to go in. Okay, just put it in, plug it all the way in, pop it back in. It's all set. It's under 2 minutes guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you.